Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! Hello art beaters, welcome. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Becky with artbeads.com if you're new here, and if you're looking for some inspiration to make some fabulous jewelry, you are in the right place. I have got lots of inspiration for you today. We're going to be talking about a lot of great things today, so hopefully you're ready to be inspired and you're excited. We're going to be talking about Nunn Design today. Becky Nunn from Nunn Design made some really wonderful quick videos to show you how to use those art is essential tags in jewelry. Super easy to add them in and they look stunning. And she also made a really great video tutorial for making wire wrapped pearl hoop earrings that are so beautiful. So you don't want to miss those videos. They are on our website. And she shares some really great advice on creativity in those videos as well. So I really encourage you to watch those videos. They're very good. And I do have some Nunn Design inspiration from our design studio here. So all of this jewelry that you see is in our design studio as well, with full instructions and a supplies list. I just love Nunn Design components. They work so well together. They're so inspiring to me and they're very unique. And what I love about them is they're so easy to incorporate into your jewelry design. Some of my favorite pieces of jewelry that I've made have been with Nunn Design and they've been so simple. Take these earrings, for instance. I just use the Nunn Design hoops and a little Nunn Design paddle, and it does not get easier than this. All you got to do is take that paddle, put it on, boom, you've got the trendiest earrings ever. So really, really pretty, really easy. I just love all of her pieces. You can even mix metals. That's always fun. I did that here with these tag shapes that she has. Simple teardrop, simple hexagon. I just added a little bead link and then layered those hexagons with the drops. Love these earrings. You could wear them with anything. They are so, so pretty. Gotta love that. These are some of my favorite earrings as well. I've got Nunn Design silver hoops with this long triangle shape. Linked those up with a jump ring, added a little bead dangle to the front of the triangle just for a little extra flash. So cute. I love these. These are very 80s to me. They're fun. I love them. And you can wear them with anything because they're very versatile color. Love, love, love wire wrapping. I talked about that wire wrapping tutorial that Becky Nunn put out with the pearl hoop earrings. You could take those techniques and do all kinds of different things with them. She's got so many great frame shapes to work with. So I made these earrings with this kind of half circle frame shape here that she has. I just wire wrapped a strip of check glass right there in the middle, added some fun dangles too. These are some of my favorite earrings as well. I love all of the jewelry I make with Nunn Design. It's just something about Nunn Design. It's just so, so, so beautiful. Love that. And I love the color of those flowers. Oh, so good. And these hang really nicely too. So really pretty there, all thanks to that Nunn Design frame. Some of her simpler frames are great for doing this kind of look where you wire wrap the beads into the frame and make kind of fun, like almost like Zen shapes. This one was a lot of fun to do. These one kind of remind me of like butterfly wings. I just love the shape of those Nunn Design frames. They're so great. So pretty. And you could do this with any colors, any beads, all kinds of different ways you could take this. So, so cute. I love that. And then this one is a really great look. It's that lovely organic hoop shape and then some druzy beads wire wrapped to the inside of one side. So very magical look there. So pretty. And then here's another simple one with her tags. Just added the tags to some ear wires, added some long crystal dangles to the front to kind of make those tags pop. And the colors really complement. Yes, I love all of the Nunn design items as well too. I just think they are so unique and they stand out so well in jewelry. We've also got a lot of great Nunn design settings and basic components like jump rings. These are some textured Nunn design jump rings, and these settings work great with some of our crystal flatbacks and chatons, so you can add a pop of color into your Nunn design settings. I did the same here, added a cushion stone into that Nunn design frame, used a textured Nunn design jump ring to add it to this organic hoop, simply added a ribbon to make it into a necklace. You guys, you have to see how easy this is to do. I love finishing focals with ribbon in this way because it is so easy. So all you do is fold that ribbon in half, bring it through the center of that hoop, and then take your ends of your ribbon through the folds you made, and then you pull tight, and you have got the cutest necklace. And you could switch out the ribbon colors if you wanted to go for something a little different, maybe a little more spring. This one is kind of fall winter to me, but you could find a lighter ribbon color and do whatever you like. So love finishing pieces like that with ribbon because it's so interchangeable and so easy. Her settings are also great for something like epoxy clay. Love the shape of this setting, that half moon, half circle. So trendy, so chic. I filled it with epoxy clay and then just embedded fire polished beads for kind of like a mosaic kind of look. I like it. And then I used the same beads up here with some bead links chain as well. I just love her pieces. Here's another example of how easy it is to layer her pieces together and get something cool and trendy. You guys ever, when I like set my jewelry down, guaranteed it's gonna get tangled. So sometimes you got to straighten it out, but it's all good now. So pretty. I love that just long block shaped drop. And then this cool horseshoe frame. I think they look great together. How stunning is that? Simple, but stunning. I love it. This one says, love you to the moon and back. You could put almost any phrase, maybe like coordinates of where your kids were born for Mother's Day, your initials, maybe write mom, anything you like. And then this one is so cute because we've got this cute little heart dangle added to the end. So super sweet. Her stuff is great for metal stamping. I think it'd be fun to like put your name initial just right in the center of that triangle. That would be kind of fun and modern looking. Love layering her pieces. This is a fun crescent moon, one of my favorite charms or pendants. And it's layered with this cute little drop. You've got a cute little bezel here, and then that big tag at the back. Again, this is something you could metal stamp if you wanted, or just layer it with other fun charms. Yeah, if you have met Becky Nunn, she is so nice and so inspiring because she is so creative. We've actually done a workshop with her where in her hometown she used to do workshops where she would teach you different techniques to do with her components, and it was so inspiring. We did so much all in one day. So great. So she is, if you ever get to meet her, she is really inspiring and really just so smart and funny. I definitely encourage you to watch those videos that she made for us where she shows you how to make those earrings and how to use those art is essential tags, because she does impart some of her amazing wisdom on creativity. So you have to watch the videos. They are so good, and you might learn something too. And then finally, I've got this gorgeous piece. Again, this is a fun way on how to use a channel if you don't want to go the resin or epoxy clay route. You can totally layer it. So this is just an empty bezel, and we have just a gorgeous crystal pendant here layered with some fun bicone dangles, and then it all matches the bead links here that are worked into the rest of the necklace. So really fun. I love that creative way to use the channels That's so, so fun. Love it. Cute. All right, so make sure you check out all of our Nunn design pieces and jewelry designs on artbeads.com. You'll find links to all of these pieces in the video description. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope that this inspires you to create some wonderful jewelry. So go out there and make some amazing jewelry. We would love to see it if you do. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.